A relative. It was a relative. All I can say is there were moments that I remember with him. Naalala ko pa yung time na he told me about this Bible verse. A fun fact about the shortest Bible verse. And he told me that it was Jesus wept. Ayun yung Bible verse. I kept it in mind for years. There were also moments na I remember a time natin nung bata pa ako. We were fighting, not exactly fighting, but arguing about mga facts, ganon, like kung ano yung as a center, or is it the sun, or something else, parang ganon. I remember times when I remember the time when he told me about being a pastor, about how he wanted me to become a pastor. And I guess those moments and memories, I cherish them the most because he was special in my life in a way now. He brought me closer to God. Although he wasn't for me mainly the people who really brought me to God. He was there. He believed in me. He believed that he believed in me. And all those moments and memories, I cherish them the most because in a way, he helped me through all of them. And it gives me a moment to just miss all of those moments and miss knowing that his presence was there. Now, may mga times that whenever we had family gatherings, nandun siya, and it felt, when he's there, all of it felt complete. Now, because he was just there in the family gatherings, it was all complete. And, ayun lang.
Diyan po ba si Sir Clark?